Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. And this is the pole cam. This was a great event. Lots of cars out there. It was a little bit smaller than usual, but it was still okay. May have been because it was Father's Day. It may have been just because it was hot. Don't know. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Facing that way.
take a picture of people coming in. Another cougar. Oh, 69? Probably. 68? This one's a little newer.
Here in a little bit, though, we'll fold it and keep the...
I used to mess around before I moved up here. There's somebody we know. And I messed around with hot rods then. Yeah. Old V8 man. Yep. But what bar some of y'all had? No, it's just the
You can build a 16 larger.
Yeah. Steel frame. Nickel block.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. No, never anything.
You gotta bring a little. I'm like, I'll bring you a chair today to like all mama's things.
I know if I get into this thing,
Most of the other people are doing it here. I don't know, they're going through my car.
And also, why are you putting your beer cans in a recovering alcoholic car and think it's cute? And I told him, I was like, I realize I'm like unlimited supply of beer cans, right? Oh, I didn't realize Maddie was there too.
Now, is this his daughter, her daughter?
His daughter. Yeah.
Does she have kids?
No.
Or is he?
I know. I know.
Whoever's going to edit this later could be like, God damn. Well, hello, beautiful people.
Hiya.
Oh, how are you? Good. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Let me just see if Tallahassee had somewhere, because then I could go to Tallahassee, spend the weekend, and Emma can watch.
Yeah.
Well, because my parents live in Central Florida, like near DeLand, but my sister and her husband live in town. So I was like, I'll just stay with Emma, and she can hang out with him because she doesn't work on Fridays. I'll go take that test. It's like a 200-minute long test. And
How not to kill the precious darlings.
no, it's like it's a general knowledge. So
Oh, okay.
for reading.
Yeah. But you're running big deals in the back, right? They're big all the way around.
Gosh, Michael went over there to go get a snack.
Like an old Scotty or something, or?
and it's somewhere along that line.
Yeah.
I forget what they call
Scotties
it.
were huge out west.
Well, the shape of it's kind of, like this in the front, and in the back it's kind of.
Yeah.
So it's the old one, but they totally redone. That's what they do. They redo them things.
Oh, yeah.
And it's her.
Yeah, nice stuff right
Lay
here.
up like that.
That's awesome. Yeah.
All of that.
And, yeah, he just,
One might say too close to the company.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, but I
yeah. Yeah,
mean,
he's totally a safe kid.
yeah, he shows him
That's cool. Curly, his cat was solid white with one green eye, one blue
Oh, wow.
I found something, we were taping for 3 years, and I was moving along there in the middle of nowhere, and I hear, well, look over here, forget about this thing. Cover up.
One pond right here.
I told him, like a bag.
It's 6 feet long, and then it goes right about up to 15 feet. And I have like 7 voices.
Wide.
And then I have steps, right? So that's on our garage. I see an Indian cat, some orange cat, a white cat, and then my orange cat. And everybody's jumping around on the rafters in the garage.
That's awesome.
Like,
Now we only got the one cat too. It's like now he's got Emily's little 8-ass cat. He's like, oh, little death kitty. So yeah, Adam's out. He's out there. He's got his little milk action. He's like, I'm good. You got a drink. I got a drink. Everyone's good.
Yeah, we have 3 cats.
Three.
We have an inside
We've only got the
cat.
one right now. For a little while we had 4 cats and 3 dogs. That was a lot.
Yeah.
That was a lot of energy.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
Well,
That's a lot of food medicine. No dogs don't like the beach, because I used to take my old dog to the beach. I just bathing in the ocean. Yeah, it's fun.
Crazy.
Myrtle Avenue Brewing.
Go to
Got
Don's post.
17.
Yeah.
We're about ready to go, actually. Doing it.
Quite the hack.
He doesn't give up on looking at the cars. I say he doesn't give up about looking at the cars.
Oh, he gave up.
Like that thing I seen on Facebook there where he got tired of the camera.
Yeah.
That was funny. That little deal where he was playing with the thing worked. Did you have the sound on?
Oh yeah, yeah, it records everything.
Oh, you got blackmail stuff.
We talked about good shit, but it was pretty funny.
He edits, he does.
Yeah, he'll be giggling.
When we go to the other car shows and they got music playing, a lot of times we have to edit that out because it's copyrighted. Yeah.
I've seen some that music was so loud,
Uh-huh.
it was blowing my phone out.
Yeah.
What you got?
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, share us around to all your car people and non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. And if you did like the video, help us out. Drop a subscribe. You'll get first dibs on all our videos. They'll come right to you. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers to get our initial monetization goal. And any help you can provide would really be appreciated. Like I say, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll keep them coming at you. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.